Hey everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I have some projects for Scrap Diva Designs. These are projects made with the dies from the October 2023 release. So I have a couple of cards to show you. I'll show you the dies that I use, take some measurements. Of course, if you have any questions, let me know. Both products will be linked down below. I also have a referral link. If you click on that and then order, I get a commission, which I really appreciate when you guys do that. So thank you so much. And don't forget to use my coupon code at checkout, which is strawberry cream, and that'll save you 10% off of your orders. So thank you to everyone who uses that as well. All right, so let's get started with both cards that I made today. I used the new Gingerbread Kisses collection from Doodlebug. I just love it. If you've been watching my channel, you know that I've been hauling it, and these cards were the perfect excuse to use it. So very fun die sets. The first one is called the Slider Set Number 2. So this one's a little different than the first slider set that Erica introduced. The first one, the tracks were a little bit shorter. So these are long enough for A2 size cards if you want to make the, sliding thing go all the way across or up and down, whichever way you do it. So the longest one measures, when you cut it out, when you cut it out, it's about 4.5, a little bit more, the space. So plenty of room to go onto your A2 size card. And then there are smaller ones too. I'm just measuring the space is about 3 5/8, I think. And there are two for each length. There's one that has a wider hole and the other one is a little bit smaller depending on what you're sliding. And then these cut out the circles. What I did was I stacked up 4 of them on each side of the slider, and I'll show you that in a second. So this is the card that I made with that. My Nuvo drops are a little wet, so I'm just going to be careful holding the edges. But yeah, isn't this adorable? So I decided to use some ephemera from Gingerbread Kisses because this is a little train that I thought would be perfect to slide. And so it's easy to do. You just cut it out. Just put your track on your card base or on your layering piece. And then when you glue that layering piece, in this case the red plaid, when you glue that onto the card base, just don't glue right around the track so there's room for it to slide. So what you do is mine is a little bit stiff. I think I might have glued part of the circles a little bit onto it. So I just kind of have to be careful sliding it. So I'm just going to pull it, and when you pull it along, it just goes like that. So isn't that cute? And I put the little circles on 2 sides so it kind of bumps up onto the edge. And if you could see in there, I put 4 circles on the train and then 4 behind the track, and then just added a dot of glue in between so it would hold on to the train itself but not make it so it's immobile. This way it still slides. Okay, sorry about that. And then I added some flat ephemera right behind it. This is from the Bits and Pieces. And this is probably from the Chit Chat, the Snow Much Fun. And then I added some Nuvo Aqua Shimmer in a lot of places to add some shine, but not to mention. And on the inside, I just added a piece of paper I cut out from a rectangle die in my stash. And then this is a sticker from the sticker pack that comes with it. So that's my first card. I hope you like it. I thought it was really cute. It's pretty flat but still interactive, which is very nice, I think. Okay, so the next project we have is using this die set, which is the Truck Mini Album. And if you watch my videos, you know that I'd love to convert mini albums into cards. So that's what I did. And I didn't actually use this for the base of the card. This is just an embellishment for the card that I made. But anyway, it comes with this really nice sized truck that has 3 main layering pieces. There's the base, which you would use for the main page of your mini album, all the different pages. And then there's a layering piece that's stitched, and you can, add pattern paper for that. And then this this die adds some more detail to it, and it also comes with other details too. This makes like a little box, or I don't know what you would call that, for the back of your truck. Here's a door layering piece. Here are wheels, layering pieces for those as well, door handles, mirror parts. I didn't use all of these. I did use the wheel ones. And then these are wood embossed layering pieces for your, for that thing. I don't know what you call that, but I'll show it to you, but it just goes on the back of your truck to kind of like hold everything in. I don't know much about trucks, so yeah. Anyway, let me show you what I made. So I made this super cute card, and of course using the same colors that I used for the train card, because that's Gingerbread Kisses for you. So for the base piece for the truck, I used, these were all papers from Gingerbread Kisses except for the glitter one. And so I layered it up 3 times with the 3 different dies. And then I used this cute little gingerbread print for the door and for the back part. And I used puppy stickers for inside the back of the truck, candy canes, little gingerbread guys. And then Santa, I fussy cut out of another paper in the collection to make, well, actually no, it was a piece of ephemera that was a little truck that said Gingerbread Express. So I just cut him out of there, and then I cut the little sign out too that said Gingerbread Express and put that on the door. I used a little puffy heart for the doorknob instead of using the die. And then for the wheels, I cut the main part out of some black glossy paper, and then some white glitter paper for the inside. And these are puffy stickers from the collection. I added a gumdrop for the headlight. I thought that was a cute touch. And then gingerbread snowflakes, again from the collection. Jingle All the Way is a cut apart from the 12 by 12, and I did add a peppermint to that as well. It's got puppy stickers on and lots of layers, but it's still flat enough to mail, which I really like. I used white glitter paper for the snow, which I usually do because I just think it looks really nice and festive. And this rectangle die is from my stash, which is not available anymore. I'm sorry, but I use it a lot because it's just perfect size for cards like this. And then I used an edge die to make like a scallop stitch edge for the snow to kind of divide the card in half. So let me measure this for you. The truck itself at the widest part it's close to 6 inches, about 5 7/8. And then top to bottom, if you use all the layers, that is, it's about 2.5 inches. Yeah. So really nice size. It would be cute to add like journaling or maybe some tiny pictures in here if you're going to make it into a mini album. There are so many cute examples on scrapdivadesigns.com. If you go to this product page and just go to the bottom and flip through or scroll through the different examples, people on the design team have made like fall ones and just gorgeous trucks. You can, make them any theme you want, which I love for dies like this. It lends itself to any season. So you really get the most out of your money when you have a versatile die set like that. So yeah, that's the front of my card. And this card, by the way, it's kind of a custom size. It is 6 3/4 by 4 3/4, I believe. Yeah. And then the inside, I just used that same die to cut out a layering piece for the inside the card. And this is more ephemera from the collection. So isn't that so cute? Oh, I love these cards. By the way, this card that I made before is an A2 size card, which I didn't mention, but just to give you an idea of, where the track falls on that. So it gives you plenty of room to slide your item across, or if you were orienting your card like this from top to bottom, and then it just gives a little bit of leeway on either side, which you need. So perfect for A2 size cards. All right, everyone, my referral link, product links, and my coupon code will be down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be back soon with more crafty videos. Until then, have a wonderful day. Bye, guys.